What's up, guys? It's your boy Desmond with the Lens, and today we are on set with
Vnai Monroe.
And that is right. The new title for this series is going to be called On Set. That's where I ask all the lovely models questions. They give us the answers, whether it's clean, messy, and everything in between. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
We just finished our Dolce Gala outfit inspired shoot. I was lucky enough for her to reach out wanting to be a model for this shoot.
Yes.
And not only did she come with the outfit, we created the outfit. Like, we snipped and cut and tucked and all of it. Like,
yes, it's amazing.
It's a vibe. I'm going to ask you rapid fire this or that questions, okay?
Ooh, okay.
All right. Paid shoot or creative freeform?
Creative freeform.
Okay. Studio photographers or natural light photographers?
Natural light.
Mood boards or freestyle?
Mood board. Yeah.
Fast delivery or perfect edits?
Oh, fast delivery. Okay, fast delivery.
And then biggest ego, photographers or models?
If I had to pick, photographers. Sorry.
That's fair. That's fair. Sorry. Sorry. What is the biggest red flag a photographer has shown before a shoot?
Suggesting nude shoots, like suggesting me to do a nude shoot, not like asking, oh, is this something you would be okay with? Like we said, okay, let's work together, and then we talk about what we're gonna do when we work together, and it's, oh yeah, I have this nude idea, nude.
Do you even know the photographers like that, or just like?
Right, and that's another thing. It'll be like photographers that I haven't worked with before, or I only worked with, I'm not gonna say once, that I haven't worked with before.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's something that photographers do that instantly make you not want to work with them again?
Setup. Like the setup is just not pleasing at all. The setup, and then I do like a photographer with a little direction. As the model, I do feel like we should know what we're doing as well. But I think the two coming together, you with good direction, and then me with my skills, come together, should collide. Yeah.
Okay, okay. What separates real creative freeform from just someone trying to flirt with models?
Real creative freeform, or somebody who's trying to flirt with models.
Because a lot of times, some photographers are just trying to flirt.
Oh, you'll know, because they'll be the ones that like comment on your stuff, like on Insta, like say responding to my story, like, "Damn, you look good," or like those flirting gesture remarks, like, "Damn, that's a fat butt," or like making certain remarks, commenting certain remarks will let me know, like, oh, you're interested in me. You're not interested in like just working with me or creating art with me. Like, you are interested.
Got you.
Yeah, because the photographers that I've worked with that are professional, they don't speak to me like that. Like, it's strictly professional.
What's the worst professional experience you've had on set?
Oh my goodness. Okay, it was one photographer, and I only worked with him once and never again, because it was just like when you see in the movies, when they're doing shoots and it's like a party scene on set. I'm just not really fond of that. To me, that's just not professional. Especially like if it's just supposed to be a setting, like me, the photographer, maybe his assistant, my assistant type thing. Other than that, I don't really need like a whole party going, like smoking, drinking, drugs going on while we're trying to shoot.
Okay. I see that.
Yeah.
What makes a photographer unforgettable in a good way or a bad way?
I'm gonna do good way, positive note.
Okay.
In a good way, I would say a great setup, great direction, time management. Like with the setting up is not taking, like, I'm sitting there ready and it's not taking forever. It's taking forever. Like great setup, great energy too. Like we don't have to like be flirting with each other, but like it has to be like a vibe. It has to be an energy in the room, and yeah.
Okay. What matters more, talent, editing or personality?
I hate that I'm gonna say this. I hate that I'm gonna say this, but I would say editing, because I think editing can change a lot. Like, it could be a model that's not so skillful, but you could edit her pictures and it be like, wow, who is that?
Okay, makes sense.
Skills do matter, y'all. That's why I want to say that, but that's the true answer, right? I feel like right now in today's climate, that is the true answer, but talent does matter still, because you do not want to be a model that gets on the set and you like, well, what do I do now? That's just me. The photographer should not have to tell you every little step. He's scared to guide, and you flourish. You're supposed to just flourish.
Oh, speaking of that, how do you feel photographers who over edit are a red flag?
Yes. Because it's not needed. It's not needed. I know some people, I feel like, and then there's different genres of modeling as well. So I'm gonna just speak from me, the type of model I am. I like to be more of a creative model. Y'all know the word I'm searching for, but more creative model. And when you're doing that type of modeling, like, you don't really need a lot of edits, like body edits, and you know what I mean? You want to be your natural beauty, but, you know, enhanced a little bit, you know?
Yeah. You know,
because makeup already does that. If you're wearing a face full of makeup, makeup is already doing that. So yeah.
So like, I feel whenever I'm editing people, I'm only editing out blemishes that'll be gone within a month or two.
Right.
Nothing that's going to be there in 6 months or so. That's you.
Right.
If you don't like that part of yourself, you gotta let me know that ahead of time. Then I can, get rid of that. If you don't like your stretch marks, all right, cool, I can do that too. But like, if you got like a scar coming all the way up over here, I can't just get rid of that. Probably like you saying that you don't like it.
Right.
That's one of the reasons why I don't do baby photography. I can't imagine editing out baby acne and then someone's thinking, oh, you think my baby's ugly?
Right.
I can get rid of all this stuff.
Right.
Could not do it.
Oh my goodness, that would be crazy.
All right, last question. You gotta pick one.
Okay.
Photographer with amazing edits but bad attitude, or mid edits but good energy?
All right, I can handle the bad attitude, because I want those good edits.
Yeah.
I want those good edits. I can ignore the bad edits, like, all right, let's just get this shoot done, boop, 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 and go. Like, but yeah, I can handle bad attitude.
It is now time for you to shameless plug anything you want, whether that's your social media, that's your brand, that's your business, all of that. This is the time to do it. Take your time, go ahead. Okay,
so I'm Vnai Monroe. You can reach me on all platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, VNAI_Monroe. And then follow my boutique, my lingerie boutique, the V Shop Boutique. The V Shop Boutique.
And it's all gonna be in the description, so I'm gonna make sure I get the correct spelling from her, because I'm not gonna trust myself for that part.
Yes.
All right.